Assalamualaikum everyone. Today my topic is that on the I want to explain the education system of Pakistan, that how a single mode can change and the education system, and in the student gets excited to learn about this thing, but teacher sees them. So in this picture we have two teachers and some students and the whole classroom. One day, I have a story that one day a teacher came into the class and they discussed with the students about an interesting topic, that how the universe is created. And the teacher asked the question to our students, that how this whole universe is created, and no one is able to answer that question. And after that, the teacher teach the students theoretically that how this whole universe is created, and like there is an explosion that took place, and it's a Big Bang theory and all of this, right, that we have studied in our earlier classes. And the student gets listen to his teacher and get excited because the teacher is watching them. And after that, they leave their class, and the class ends. But the next day, the teacher came. When the teacher came to the class, they just moved the student to other room, and that room is a combination of different things. Like it's this one has a multimedia projector and different computers, like we have shown in the picture, and a world map and globe of the world. And like it's a combination of a classroom, scientific lab, and computer lab, and all of these things. And in that room, the teacher asks the same question to her students, and after that, the teacher plays a video on a multimedia, that how the universe is created. And the students also gets excited and gets curious that what they are going to see now. And after seeing the video, the student gets knows a lot about the whole world, that how the world is created, how this lush greenery, these whole mountains, these landscapes have been created, and how God has created these things. That how the aviation taken to place, and they also learn about the Darwin theory and all of this stuff. And the students also gets excited in that topic also. Like you can see in the picture, the students gets excited and curious to know about this topic, that they are not excited in the previous day. So my main moral of the topic, my main moral of the story is that if you can add some technology or something that is related to the student, you if you add these things to their lectures, like the teachers add these things to their lectures, they can improve the communication skills and the intellect of their students also. So it's I think it's a demand of the modern age to add these things to their classrooms. And in the end, the teacher gives some papers to students, so that they can draw a map and of the world, and the students happily draw a map of the world. And after that, the teacher collects the pages from the students, and they give them the marks according to it. So moral of the story is that we have to add new technology to our classrooms, and to our lectures, so that the student gets excited and curious about the lectures also, because I think they are the future architects of our nation. So that's all from me. Thank you.